Hello, universe! Hello, world! Hello, Philippines! Kamusta naman ang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao? This is your host, Marlene Craig again of Kamusta Ka Bagong Pilipinas, ang bagong talk show ng bayan. And with me today, of course, is my debonair host, Dr. Conrad Pereras. You wanna greet and say
Magandang
hi?
araw po sa inyong lahat na nakikinig ito sa palatuntunang ito. Kamusta ka, bagong Pilipinas?
Ayan, and of course, andito rin yung ating suki at paboritong kaibigan na guest natin na walang iba si Miss Yola Tolentino.
Hello,
Forever single.
hello, bagong Pilipinas. I'm back with a very nice topic this morning po. Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Ayan. So, ang Kamusta Ka Bagong Pilipinas is now on our season 2 for 2026. So today, nasa episode number 3 po tayo. At huwag kayong aalis kasi bandang 11, live streaming din yung aming episode 4 at konektado sa topic na ito. So ang title ng topic natin ngayon, sa Agile Senior Years mo, AGILE, ang ibig sabihin pala ng agile is sa panahon ng maliksi. Pagka maliksi mo pa. Diba?
Gumagalaw ka
Nursing
pa.
home ba ang punta mo or at home? Anong gusto mo? Nursing home ba? So, ito ay mga usapang madalas iniiwasan ng pamilya. Kanina nga kausap ko yung aking Grab driver. 60 years old na siya. Sabi ko, Kuya, sabi ko, kumusta yung ating pag-prepare sa senior years, yung hindi na tayo agile, yung hindi na tayo maliksi, at dapat ay o kaya bedridden na tayo.
Kala ko, tanong mo kung nagpa-plug sa rebel.
Second, next question. So
Sorry.
anyway, so
I'm just
sabi ko,
kidding.
Kuya, sabi ko, nursing home o home care? May anak ka ba? Sabi niya. Sabi niya, dalawa. 24 years old daw, yung isa 20. Sabi ko, babae at lalaki. Sabi ko, Kuya, siya ba ang mag-aalaga sa'yo pag matanda ka na? Hindi natin alam, ma'am. Hindi ko alam kung aalagaan ako. Kaya, yung pag-usapan natin ngayon, habang kaya mo pa at agile ka pa, at pwede ka pang mag-decide para sa sarili mo, ay kailangan na natin pag-usapan ito. Right? Okay. So, ano masasabi mo?
Okay, just for some listeners and viewers who cannot see us because they're just listening, the only qualification I have for today is the fact that I am a senior citizen.
Hoy, they see us live streaming.
Oh, really? Okay. So
Of course,
that's good.
we're live streaming on Facebook now.
Before I answer your question, just to
Oh,
put this discussion
okay.
in context, because we're talking of senior people who are either going to the nursing home or staying home. In the Philippines, we have about 117 million people, no, Filipinos. And just to define the market na pinag-uusapan natin, there are about 9 to 8% seniors, 60 years and above. So,
Equivalent to 9.8 million.
about 9.8 million Filipinos. So that's a big market.
Yes.
It's a big target market. And the bulk of our population are very young people. And to a great extent, that is important because when you have senior people, you need young people to support the
Economy.
older people and the economy, of course.
Yes.
True.
And yung kabataan, ayaw nila yung responsibility na yon, and not necessarily
Correct.
because if you look at other countries, the ones with the aging population, the graying population of European countries, including Japan, Singapore, some of these other countries, wala na silang younger population and to support their aging population. And to that extent, it is important for us to put this discussion in the context of we have a younger population, we have that demographic spot na tinatawag nila, and we get dividends from having that younger population because there's a big number of population that is economically employed, who can support the economy and their parents. So ang tanong mo, now that we are in this situation, saan ba tayo gusto pumunta? Sa nursing home or
Oh,
stay at home?
Pero I want to connect to what you have said. Pero sabi nila, according to statistics, by 2030, our country might become an old aging population. Mas marami by 2030 ang aging seniors than young. Kasi ang mga babae ngayon ayaw na mag-anak ng marami.
When you sent me that paper,
Yes.
I was disappointed to notice that I was still thinking of our population growing at the rate of 3% and that the average household is about 5 people.
Mm-mm.
So obviously, I have been out of touch with my field insofar as population statistics are concerned. So yes, because there is a decline in the statistics, but I'm not afraid because it's still too far off to become the likes of Germany.
Na zero population growth.
Negative pa nga eh. So many of the European countries nagne-negative na yung population growth
Kasi
nila.
you know why yung sabi nilang zero population growth, yung they only have 2 children. So these 2 will replace the mom and dad. So wala
Mm.
yung population nila
Ayaw
hindi
nilang magkaanak.
nag-grow.
Oo, so magiging negative talaga yun. And in China, which is the number 2 most populous
Mm.
country in the world, yung one-child policy nila nag-boomerang na. Kasi
Oh.
because as they develop,
Yeah, overpopulated.
ayaw mag-asawa kaagad yung babae, yung lalaki walang problema. So I think their problem is much deeper than what we anticipate, whether it's 2028, 2030, or 2050. Tayo medyo malayo pa tayo dyan. But the concern is, what do we do with this 10% of the population who are continuously aging? It's now 8%. Next year it can be 9%, can be 10%. So both being in the private sector and in government, there are both concerns. But as you know, entrepreneurs, they make money both during the decline of a civilization and during the rise of a civilization. So while that is a problem, there are big opportunities also for some businessmen.
Yeah, especially for the seniors.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
Bago
yes.
ko ibigay yung floor kay Miss Yola, so gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga viewers, dahil ang dami pong nag-react dun sa episode 43 namin, part 1 and 2, at marami rin nag-disagree at nag-share ng personal stories sa last episode na yan. So today, we continue this conversation, pero sa mas malalim, in-depth. So ang today's question to both or the three of us, sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon, pero may pagka-heavy
Oo.
So habang agile ka pa, habang maliksi pa ang katawan mo, saan mo gusto maalagaan balang araw? Where would you want to be taken care of? Sa nursing home ba or sa sariling bahay? At higit sa lahat, napag-usapan niyo na ba ang tungkol dito sa mga anak niyo o yung malapit na pamilya niyo?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Lali,
Let's just sing in, Lali.
Okay.
So, Lali.
Most likely, ang unang sagot ko dyan is hindi pa napapag-usapan because that's very sensitive issue.
Mm.
Remember, ang mga Pilipino very conservative pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay, hindi ba?
correct.
Hindi sila kasing practical. Siguro tayo, tatlo, senior tayo, pero we are more, sabihin natin, exposed sa mundo. So, mas naiintindihan natin yon. Pero yung sa mga regular na, sa bahay or whatever, hindi nila pinag-usapan yan eh. Ang sasabihin pa nga nung matanda, ay, ayokong pag-usapan yan. Masyadong morbid yan. Hindi pa ako
Ano, gusto niyo na
mamamatay.
ako mamatay?
Yes, 'di ba? 'Yun ang mga normal reaction kasi natanong ko na rin minsan 'yan eh. Kasi ako sa pamilya ko, open kami sa ganyan eh. Ang nanay ko bago mamatay noon, ano pa ito nanay ko she passed away in 2017.
Mm.
Ang sabi ng nanay ko, pag namatay ako, gusto ko i-cremate ako.
Uy,
I
ang
mean,
galing.
for somebody na nakatira sa probinsya, Dr. Conrad, I mean,
Oo.
That was her
At
reaction, nagulat kami.
at hindi pa niya alam na magkakapandemic doon.
Oo, hindi pa, imagine tagal ng panahon 'no. Gusto ko cremate ako. Kasi 'pag namatay ako, yung mga magnanakaw dito yung sa farm namin dun, mumultuhin ko sila. That was her idea. I mean,
Bakit pag
jokingly,
cremation ba mas mandyan ang multo kasi hindi mo
hindi natin alam
binabaon?
yun. Oo, hindi natin alam yun. But you
Okay.
know, parang kami magkakapatid, nagulat kami.
So
Tapos sabi ng nanay
moderno,
ko yun.
pati nanay mo gusto cremation.
Oo, imagine that. So,
Pero ayaw kong masunog.
ay, bakit mararamdaman po ba yun? Hindi na, di ba?
Sa isip.
Pag-cremate ka, problema yan during the second coming. Paano, paano mo ba ibubuo yung katawan mo?
No, it will
Oo.
be again daw. Pero anyway, so joking aside. So habang ang ating Dr. Conrad is 75 years old. Ayan,
He
prepared.
doesn't look
Prepared na
75.
prepared yan. Kahit tanungin natin paano siya prepared
Uh,
at saan niya
From
gusto.
the hips down, from the hips up, it's 75. From the
Pagbaba.
hips down, it's 57.
Oh,
Wow!
sabi ni Doctor.
I'm just kidding.
Akala ko
ang sagot
naman 40.
sagot ni Lali, hindi pa napag-uusapan. So, hindi pa siya nagde-decide kung saan siya alagahan.
Ayan.
Hindi pa.
If you ask me, the two choices really, actually there are three. Going to the nursing home or going to your children's homes. But my preference is that I stay where I am
Mm.
and probably whatever services they have in the nursing home and whatever
They can
comforts
provide
have
it in
my
your home.
children's, they provide it in my
Correct.
home.
Yung mga professional. Pero wait, so ikaw, you're 75 pero maliksi ka pa rin ha.
Oo.
You're agile.
Hindi lang
and
maliksi,
you,
malakas.
60 at
I'm
malakas.
66, yeah.
Ako,
I mean,
60 plus.
Ikaw, ano ka eh? Si malakas at maganda pa.
Oo, yun.
So, ang ibig sabihin ng agile po, kasi yan yung topic natin, baka hindi nyo maintindihan, it means maliksi sa Tagalog, you are still mentally alert, kaya, namin, may say ka pa sa sariling buhay, you can
Correct.
still decide for yourself and stand by it. And kaya mo pang mag-decide. Hindi ka pa bedridden, ang ibig sabihin nun. Hindi ka pa helpless. And this is the best time to talk about hard topics, hindi yung hindi ka na makapagsalita. At marami nang nakatusok sa bunganga
Yung mga-
nyo, di ba?
ano ng mga nakasaksak.
Okay. So hindi po ito usapang kamatayan ha. Ito ay usapan ng pagtatanda na may dignidad, may choice, at may respeto. Okay, balik tayo dyan. So saan mo gusto? Yun.
Ako, sasagutin ako.
Ikaw muna,
Sige,
sige, ladies
sasagutin ko
first.
yun. Actually ako, kung sa estado ng buhay ko ngayon, mas gusto ko sa nursing home. Bakit? Kasi, unang-una, single ako, wala akong anak who can, look after me if ever. Na tumanda ako, yung
Critical
gano'n.
yung sagot na yun.
Oo.
It doesn't mean you don't have a partner or you don't have a
Oo.
lover or you don't have somebody
So far,
to take care of
nothing.
you. Ha?
Zero.
Zero kasi, Doc. Kaya, yun ang sagot ko at the moment. That it could change, no? But
Oo.
then, actually, para sa akin, mas practical. That is my opinion. That is for me. So, it will not apply to everyone, but most likely, titingnan natin yung ano yun, as we talk further later on, ano ang rason bakit gusto ko talaga ng nursing home.
Nursing home.
Okay, so,
Okay, bakit home care?
Ako, these issues really boil down to three things. One is yung economics. And I can answer your question from the point of view of being an
Economist.
economist. Pwede ko rin sagutin from the point of view of business. Yung may pagkakakitaan ba dyan? And number three, as an advocate, no?
Okay.
Yung you do something without expecting anything in return. Ako, ang choice ko really, given all those considerations, is to stay where I am. And being able to stay where you are,
At home, you mean?
yeah, at home, in your own home, is a function of economics.
With the comfort of your home.
Yes, so if you have all the money, you can have all the services that you need to...
So caregiver, magkakaroon ka ng caregiver or nurse.
Ako gusto ko maging caregiver eh.
Caregiver na lang o ikaw mag-caregiver.
No,
siya mag-aalaga.
I want to be able to
Kay wife.
still take care of myself
Yeah.
It's only when you can no longer support
Yes,
yourself.
when you're not agile
When you're
anymore.
not agile anymore, when you're
Yung dementia na.
may dementia ka na, may Parkinson's disease ka na,
Yeah.
talagang sakit ng matatanda.
Yes.
That's the only time that you really need some help. Medical
And
help.
you will still want at home, those helps will still come to your home.
Yeah, because the issues when you're aging is if you're coming from where I am, we live in a big house, all our children are gone, so we need a smaller house. But my wife keeps saying, I want to stay where we are.
He doesn't want to sell it.
She doesn't want to move out.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Uh,
Kasi
I-
yun yung familiar environment na rason.
Yes, but I'm sure if the price is right, she's willing to sell anything.
Tapos yung emotional comfort.
Yes,
ang
yung
iniisip
emotional
nyo.
comfort, sanay ka na doon.
Mm.
Importante rin yung mga kaibigan mo nandun.
Oh yeah, in the neighborhood
In the
and they come
neighborhood,
visit
yeah.
you.
Oo. Because
So-
because of the nature of our business in the past, NPAs kami, no permanent address. We keep moving where the business takes us.
Yeah.
Pero when our children started to grow up, ayaw nilang umalis doon sa kung nasaan kami. So they want to establish their roots. Siyempre, nandun yung roots mo. Your memories are there. So what will you remember? What kind of memories will you remember kung wala ka na doon? You're transported to another place, no? So sa akin, ang preference ko pa rin, given all the considerations,
Home.
sabi nga nila sa economics, all other things being equal, gusto ko to stay where I am.
Yeah. Siyempre naman, yan yung familiar environment, yung comfort mo, emotional comfort mo, saka
I want to sit on the same chair that I've been sipping my
yes,
coffee.
di ba? Mas personal yung mga kagamitan
Yes.
mo doon at malinis.
Yes.
Alam mong malinis yung inuupuan mong
Yeah, tsaka,
bathroom.
I want to see the garden when you wake up in the morning. Everything is fresh.
So,
Oo.
maganda yan. Filipino culture din yan. If you can afford that lifestyle still. Ikaw magbabayad ng
Yes.
elektrisidad, water,
Yes.
wifi, katulong.
And when you have a lot of money, your
Garden.
children will visit you.
Exactly. Pero pag wala, maybe not.
Mag-aaway sila kung
Sino? Ang
Sino? Yes.
laging bibisita
Oo.
sa iyo sa bahay.
pag marami kang pera, mag-aagawan sila kung sino mag-aalaga
Mag-aalaga.
sa'yo.
Oo.
Pag wala kang pera, magtuturuan sila.
Yes.
Iniisip-
That's,
That's
the
very
reality
true.
of it. No?
Yes.
So, inaisip
Yes.
ko na yung aking natitirang property. Sabi ko, para sa akin na lang yan. Bibigyan ko kayo yung matira.
Actually,
Doon
tama
sa
yun.
laging mag-assist sa
mag-assist.
akin.
Oo. Oo, kasi mahirap din yun yung tipong pamimigay mo na kaagad kung yung mga ari-arian mo. Maraming case. Ako, maraming case na pag nabigay mo na sa kanila, nobody will take care of you.
You'll end up in the street.
Yes, parang, yeah,
Yun ang
actually,
mga pros and cons kay Kwan. Mamaya balikan natin sa
Yes,
nursing.
oo.
Bakit nursing sa'yo? So, yun ang pros.
Oo.
Yung mga pro na maganda,
Mm.
positive.
Oo.
Pero ano naman yung cons para sa mga taong gusto rin mag-home care gaya ni Dr. Conrad Pereras? Ito yung mga dapat i-consider natin. So, sino ang magiging caregiver? Meron ka na bang trusted na caregiver? Kung gusto nyo ng mga anak nyo, alin sa mga anak nyo ang magiging caregiver? So, yung mga may trabaho na anak ninyo at may pamilya na, magke-caregiving ba sila sa iyo? May panahon ba sila sa inyo? So, i-consider natin lahat yon. And then, emotional and financial burden. Kasi mahal din ang kukuha kayo ng caregiver. Ang caregiver, pag yung hindi pa sa Taga-Alabang, 11,000.
Oh, 11,000.
Tapos, mga malilit lang na villages, private condos. Pero pag Alabang na, baka
Oo.
15,000 na yan.
Oo.
Yan yung mga caregiver na
Yeah.
professional. And then, dapat dalawa kailangan mo. Kasi
Yeah, may
dalawa
shift.
kayo.
Di ba tatlo? Kasi
Yeah,
three shifts.
shifting.
Oo, may shifting yan
8
eh.
hours each, no?
Oo. Hindi
So,
yan,
15 times 3.
well, ako, tingin ko naman kayang-kaya ni Dr. Conrad yan. You know, because,
That's why
depende
nga
sa,
eh.
sa
kaya kong pag-isipan.
Hindi, but in all honesty, if you can afford it, why not? Kasi may cost talaga
Eh,
yan.
yun talaga ang kinoncentrate nila eh.
Yeah, I mean, they plan for it. I mean, they save for it.
Yeah.
Why not enjoy it?
Yeah, and if you
Diba?
want to know more about how the preparation of Dr. Conrad Pereras, watch our episode 43 on YouTube or on Facebook. part 2 and part 1 na rin para alam niyo paano niya prepare kasi alam niyo hindi tayo lahat ready. Yung Grab nga sabi niya, "Oo nga 'no, ma'am."
Oo nga. With that announcement, baka magiging 2 million na yung following mo
Yan
dyan.
na nga. So, yeah, nagka 1 million views tayo dahil diyan sa episode 43 na yan. So, pag yung caregiver mo naman, kung iisa lang o yung anak na isa lang ang magtutulong sa'yo, baka ma-burn out.
Correct. Oo.
Pag araw-araw siya andun sa bahay.
Especially kung may trabaho sila.
Pero sabi mo kasi kung agile ka pa yung situations na yun become serious considerations
Yung dementia,
pag hindi ka na,
Tsaka
when you cannot support yourself
bedridden
anymore.
na. O
Bedridden
yung
na.
weak na you have to be lifted up to go to the bathroom, you have to
Yes.
be washed.
Well, I see every Sunday with the modern facilities now, I see vans with some kind of an escalator to bring down the wheelchair. And
Yes.
somebody, if you're still agile, sabi mo nga, your mental capacity ka,
Correct.
you can drive your wheelchair. Pero
Mhm.
kung wala na, baka you might go out
Yun na yun siguro
somewhere else.
na kailangan mo na ng caregiver. Pero sabi
Yes.
mo, even if you will be in that position, you'll still have, you will ask the nursing homes to provide similar in
Yes.
your home. Oh, that's good. Pero, kailangan mo ng financial
Correct.
abundance.
Yeah.
Dapat pinag-isipan nyo gaya ni Dr. Kwan. Kasi yung asawa po niya, si Mrs. Conrad Pereras, nasa insurance kaya inisip nila yung pala ang ibig sabihin ng life insurance. Para talaga sa pagtanda mo pala yun.
Actually, yung life insurance hindi para sa'yo. Para doon
Para
sa
sa
naiwanan mo.
Oo, sa iiwan mo talaga.
Hindi. At para sa'yo.
Ibang coverage yun.
Oo, iba. Pero
Talaga?
Oo,
Ano
but, but bottom line, it's all preparation. Lahat yan,
Preparation, yes.
insurance preparation
correct
for
nga.
old
At
age.
pinag-uusapan dapat.
Yes.
Kayong mag-asawa, pag-usapan nyo yan. O kayong mga pamilya, pag-usapan yan. Hindi na po tabu yan. Practicality na po ngayon. So,
The more rational you are, the more preparations you will make.
correct.
Yung iba dyan, binibili nila yung kanilang coffee para alam nila where they will be put.
Hindi, sila nga natutulog na nga. Meron akong kapitbahay kami noon.
Nagpa-practice na.
Hindi, doon siya natutulog.
Wow.
Kasi single din siya, walang anak,
Oo.
walang kamag-anak. So minsan gusto namin i-raid yung bahay niya. Kasi we were so curious as children. We were all shocked in her coffin.
But I think I don't know whether it's the second episode or not, how you want to be buried, di ba?
Ayan,
Just
parte
to
yan
preview.
dito. Oo. Meron pa, ayan, nag-teaser ka na. Pero, ang sinasabi ko, kung gusto po niyo ng home care at umaasa kayo sa mga anak niyo at kamag-anak niyo o kapatid, alam niyo, mahal nila kayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin,
Mahal kayo.
kaya nila lahat ng pinapagawa ninyo. So, in English, kasi some of my friends may watch this na mga Americans ang asawa. They love you but that doesn't mean they can do everything. So, dapat yun yung mga cons na kailangan nyo kasi nagkakaroon ng burnout.
Oh yeah,
you know?
definitely.
At ang mga anak nyo rin magkakatrauma kasi
Yung-
first time nila, di ba?
Yeah, at saka hindi lahat accepted ng mga remember sa nakikita ko ngayon sa generation ngayon, iba sila. Yung sa mga medyo bata-bata lang sa atin ng konti. Iba kasi ang thinking nila sa itong mga Gen Z ngayon, iba sila ha. They don't care actually.
Practical sila.
They only
Oo.
care about themselves.
Yeah, yes.
Logical. Very
Oo, parang-
logical.
Sorry,
sila.
I did not mean that derogatorily for the Gen Z listeners.
Oo, no, it's not that. But then, yung ano lang natin is yung sa mga nakikita natin. Kaya nga yung the more that we should be prepared for this. Pagtanda natin, dapat,
Yeah. Yung mga millennials, yung mga anak nyong Gen Z, yung mga old millennials, yung mga 40 pluses na. So,
Kaya ako, nag-invest na ako doon sa apo ko.
ay, actually, that's a good thing. Oo. Bata pa lang, imo-mold mo na sila, parang ipaparealize
at
mo
least
na,
i-administer niya yung mga caregivers.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
pwede rin. Oo.
Alright. So, habang bata pa yung mga anak yung millennials, o kausapin nyo na, ibigay nyo na yung love and care. Kasi you are planting a seedling of love and care. Kung ano yung nakita nila, that's what they will give to you.
Pero
Yes.
alam mo, sabi mo, this discussion, it's a deep dive on serious issues, no?
Mm.
Just look at the cycle of life.
Mm.
Bata yung anak mo, lahat ng time mo, inaalagaan mo siya.
Mhm.
Sinakripisyo mo
Oo,
lahat.
oo.
Time.
Pag matanda na sila, you get to your second childhood, ini-expect mo, alagaan ka nila, no?
Sana.
The fact is, with the fast-paced kind of life we have, hindi na natutupad yun eh. Nag-iiba
Yes.
na yung priorities.
Yes,
Pero
that's very
akala ko
true.
noon, yun yung culture sa yung Philippine culture mind ko na mag-anak kayo para may mag-aalaga sa inyo paglaki. Eh diyan tayo nagka 1 million views kasi yung mga taga-America o taga-abroad. So, why did you give birth? They did not come to this world to serve you in death.
Oo.
Wow.
Sabi
Yun na nga
nila,
eh,
they have
oo.
their own lives. Hindi nila choices pumunta dito and then you have to give them that burden daw.
And in fact, that is the reason why I'm so proud to be a Filipino and a nation, because we have substantively kept our culture that we take care of our parents in their old
Yes.
age.
Oo. That's why yun nga, yung investment mo sa magulang natin. And then at the same time, dapat nga investment ka rin sa anak mo. For them to realize that, life would change. Maiiba talaga yan eh. Parang kita mo, pag iba na yung takbo ng ito, ano bang generation? Generation cellphone na ngayon. Everything is like, you want to get information about this, cellphone.
Yes.
So, maiiba talaga. So, but if you're going to establish or you're going to mold them, yung ating medyo, may pagka, a little bit conservative in a way.
The connection you have
Yes.
to preserve.
Yes. O, tsaka yung values na tuturo
Values.
natin. That's very, very important.
So it starts from home,
Kami,
from the laps you mold them, you know.
Yeah.
No, from the time they are in
Dito pala
the
kausapin mo
womb.
na.
Yes.
Anak, lalaki ka.
Mafe-feel nila
Kaya
yung
kami,
love.
ang ginagawa namin, sige, ayaw nyo kami bisitahin, kami ang bibisita sa inyo.
Oo. That's a good thing also.
But that's a good
Oh.
one. So, okay, why nursing home?
Why nursing home? Kasi ganito, like I said earlier, kasi nga, single ako. Wala akong, I don't,
Totoo.
oo, na, walang, sino
Mag-home care sa'yo.
sa akin. Oo. Kasi yung mga kapatid ko, they have their own family.
Mm.
May kanya-kanyang issue
Mm.
yan. So, ako, sa ngayon, iniisip ko, hindi ako aasa sa siblings ko na they will look after me. Ngayon, kung nasa home care ako, at least may mag-aalaga sa akin doon. And then, may titingin sa akin. Pwede naman nila akong dalawin from time to time.
Correct.
Kung talagang hindi ko na, kaya. But then, may preparation ka dyan.
Correct.
Ano ang preparation mo for that? That's why habang ako'y malakas pa, naghahanap buhay pa ako, to save for that. Kasi, magkano na ba ngayon ng
30,000.
O yun, 30,000. Depende pa
A
sa
month.
location.
A month.
Depende pa sa location. Kung gusto mo medyo high-end, para yung friend,
45.
50, 60,000 na ngayon.
Ayun.
Ang titingnan mo, kasi ilang taon ako ngayon, I'm 66. So, sabihin
66.
natin,
Kanina sabi ko,
66 na ako, Doc. So anyway, pagdating ko na 70 plus na, by that time, magkano na, di ba, may tayo every year, meron tayong tumataas ang
Oo.
price.
oo.
Oo, kumbaga, ang budget, kunyari na, ang budget ko ngayon is 1,000 for my future. Dapat i-double ko na yun kasi by that time, 10 years from now, baka hindi yung 50,000 wala nang value
Yung
yan.
value,
So,
Correct.
appreciated
tataas
na.
yan. Oo.
So,
So,
dapat ang savings natin is minimum 10 million.
If we can do it,
Kung
why
10
not?
years ang expectancy mo.
Sorry, you can make it 100 million. Pag hindi mo naubos, pabigay mo na lang sa amin.
Oh, yung 10 million, ipasok
Yes.
mo muna sa bangko para kumita.
Yeah.
Actually, we should have a wise investment for that. Na
Yes.
nakatuon doon, leading
Kung
to that
ano
direction.
yung kita sa interest,
Oh, yeah.
yun ang panggastos mo lang.
LOI ang tawag doon.
Oh, yeah.
yun.
Living on interest.
Talagang may financial preparation.
So,
Tandaan natin.
maganda rin yun kasi may professional care, magkakaroon ka ng community friends
Yes.
doon,
Oo.
and then may routine sila na ginagawa sa inyo.
Marami akong napapanood na when they go to the nursing home, they discover their second and third loves.
True! Isa pa yan.
Teka,
Andun
magre-ready.
pala, kaya,
Magre-ready na yata
yung
ako.
pala, Yola, andun yung ating
Yung ating
big
future-
love.
Oo,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
never know. I mean,
I'm going to attend meet and greet with Lloyda Nicolas Lewis.
Ay, Lloyda.
okay.
She's here and
Sa Rockwell, may bahay siya.
she's coming out with her book. Ano yung
Ah.
title ng book
Oh,
niya?
yeah.
yeah,
Looking Younger as You Get Older. So,
Mm.
it's
Hmm.
not too late yet when you go to the nursing home. You should look young as you get old.
Let's
Oo.
prepare for
Diba?
that, MK.
Di ba yan ang philosophy natin?
I look forward to the nursing home. Okay, so para sa mga nakikinig, so may routine doon at safe ka doon. At least kung may dementia ka man, konting dementia na nawawala ka sa sarili mo, at least may mga guards doon. Hindi ka mawawala kasi marami sa ating mga parents, minsan hindi rin kapabayaan nun ng mga anak. No? Yung nakalabas sa bahay,
Pero,
di na niya alam paano bumalik.
pero Lali, ano yung criteria mo in selecting a nursing home?
Okay, ganito. Unang-una, siyempre, ang criteria ko, based dito sa research na ginawa namin, kasi dapat kasi nag-ano ko kami that time ni Mon Cuervo, we were planning to put up a nursing home.
A nurse?
Pero yung time na yun, we're thinking of mga pang high-end. High-end, we were planning to do, that time maglilis muna ng house sa Bel Air, yung time na yon. So we do our math already. So tapos namin, we were just planning to cater it for mga foreigners who would like to come. I mean, Filipino PhilAm to come to the Philippines para they can afford all the services that they will, look for. Kaya Makati area, why? Because malapit sa hospital, 2 hospital sa Makati at least na high-end. I mean,
Mm.
malapit sa BG.
Oo.
So, malapit sa mga sinihan. I mean, marami
Center.
yes, marami kang pwedeng puntahan, and then at the same time yung meron kang, let's say, service van or something that you can take them outside, take them to Tagaytay or any place where the senior enjoy. That's why yun din ang yung gusto ko medyo pagka high end para
Mm.
ma-enjoy ko naman. Uh,
The fruits of your labor.
Oo, yung parang ganun.
Ang gusto ko malinis lang yung bathroom. Malinis
Dali ko
yung
lang kita sa
kainan.
Actually, you can take it in stages. I have a friend, imbis na nursing home, it's a wellness home. Halimbawa, diwana you're with your children or with your brothers or with your siblings, alis sila, maiwan ka mag-isa.
Pwede
Hindi
ka
ka
na
iwanan doon
i-deposito
sa
doon.
bahay.
Mm.
There is this wellness home who will take you, they will host you for, let's say, a week or 2 weeks.
Oh, meron yan?
Meron yan. And may programa yon. Pag nandun ka, as you wake up in the morning, may itinerary ka na.
Mm.
Hindi ka, they won't leave you at home.
Oo.
They'll keep you entertained.
Yeah,
They
what
will-
if I prefer to stay home and read my book? That okay too?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
sa sa'yo yun.
So you have to tell me where's that place because yan yung mga ginagawa ngayon ng ating mga friends when they
Oh.
go abroad and they have to do walking and their
Yun.
parents cannot
Yeah.
anymore.
You'll be surprised. A friend, Dr. Hernan Delizo, who I met many years ago,
Yeah.
he owns Clinica Manila. He was telling me this program because he was into wellness, health and wellness.
But it's existing.
Yeah, it's still.
Oh,
still
yan
existing.
na, meron.
He has a place in
Give us a call.
Yes.
Pwede
Still-
bang pwede ho ba
Hydrogen machine.
talaga.
So,
Dr. Conrad,
Yes.
pwede bang i-interview natin siya at
Yeah, of course.
mag-sponsor?
Okay. Papansin ko,
Anyway.
bakit puro pagbatanda itong topics natin.
Anyway, hindi importante kasi even the youth have they're involved.
Yeah, oo.
That's why this is in general. Whether you're Gen Z, millennial, or baby boomer.
Yeah, I hope our listeners are not just seniors. Their children should be listening
Yes,
to
ang
this
awareness
episode as
ito.
well.
This is really an eye-opener even for me and my children. I asked Zoe, what will you bring me to the nursing home or I'll stay home? Sabi niya, Mama, I don't want to talk about that.
See?
But
And she's a-
Yung anak ko, iba
Oo.
yung sagot niya.
Ano sabi niya?
Dad, you better be nice to me now, ha? I'll be the one typing the checks.
I mean,
Oo. But that was a good joke. Joke lang yun, but which is true.
But be true
you should
in it.
really be
True.
nice to your children because baka hindi ka na nga dalawin. pag
and then
ikaw
my
ay-
other daughter naman, si Christiana, sabi ko, Chrissy, di ba I told you, Mama, come to Denmark because we've got the best senior nursing homes. Sabi niya.
See?
But sabi ko, yeah, but during winter, I'll be alone then. You're all working. Sabi, I don't have friends there.
Exactly.
You know?
Kasi
So-
kung sa bahay ni, kunyari, Christiana, bahay niya sa Denmark.
No, in the nursing homes. Ang gaganda
No,
naman.
hindi. They will, kasi nga may mga kasama ka
Correct,
dun
yeah,
eh.
they'll
So you have
Yeah.
company there. So okay lang yun. Kaya that's where I want to ano.
Anyway,
It's a very
so
good plan.
yung daughter ko, yeah, but I don't want to go to Denmark. I'll be alone there. And then, so sabi niya, Mama, don't worry. Zoe and I will take care of you. So parang nung
We'll sell
narinig
your
ko yun,
house. We'll sell your house.
We will sell your house and we will use the money. Maraming ganyan akong
sa Mindanao ka
kilala.
dadalhin.
Pero wala pag problema na eh. Kami, the joke within the family is, so dad and mom, we have already decided that me, the daughter, I will take over your home. Si JC, our son, since he's living abroad, walang time yan para sa'yo unless
Correct.
makapunta ka pa doon. So hanggang malakas ka pa, agile ka pa, bisitahin mo na madalas para mapagsilbihan ka niya. So they
Ah.
started dividing the properties already
Mm.
because they know that assuming you have a relationship, they
Mm.
will be forced to take care
I
of you. It
think,
becomes their responsibility, di ba?
etong gagawin ko sa last will. Sabihin ko sa lawyer, bigay mo lang itong halaga na to. Mas malaki yung shares nito pag sino yung laging nag-aalaga. Yung hindi masyado mas lesser ang shares. Diba?
But you know what? Sa ngayon, alam mo, actually, ang preparation yan, hindi yung ano. Ngayon, actually, dapat earlier pa yung preparation.
Correct.
ganyan.
That's why the Gen Z should start
Oo.
They should
thinking
have a-
about themselves too. You know,
they start putting up a retirement fund.
yes,
Oo, yeah.
kung yung parents nyo sa palagay nyo cannot afford it so much, isama nyo na yung mami nyo if you earn a lot.
Budget.
Because some of our Gen Z is earning like 6 figures. You know?
Yeah.
Tulungan nyo na rin, kunan nyo na rin ng magandang insurance ang mami nyo.
Pero alam mo naman ang characteristics ng Gen Z, di ba? The millennials, di ba? Try to earn a lot of money, spend it to satisfy their
Themselves
cravings
first.
for
Yeah.
the finer things in life.
Mhm.
And then pag ubos na,
Pag may extra, hingi
pe-
pa rin sa parents.
Oo, sa
Oo.
parents pa rin sila tatakbo. Yun lang
Yes.
ang masakit.
No,
doon.
but you have to teach them though. So, it's good si Zoe na natuto. Kasi, yan, yung I lost my business and then the dad and me had separated. Everything parang umagsak kaunti yung luho.
pero I've been reading in the US this well-off people, they don't give their wealth to their children.
Yes.
True.
Oo.
They only give them enough to not
To
only to
live by,
survive but
to start something.
to start something.
Correct.
Oo.
Kasi it will spoil them daw eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. That's why nga, yung ginagawa ng iba, talagang hindi nila binibigay. They let them also strive.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi mo pinaghirapan yung
pumunta
pera,
na tayo
talaga,
sa
this is to
pamana.
spend.
like I read recently the daughter of Elon Musk.
Mm. Yeah.
She preferred to live on her own terms.
Yeah.
Ayaw niyang kumuha ng pera sa father niya. So she lives separately
Yeah.
in a faraway
Kasi gusto rin
place.
niyang freedom eh.
Oh,
Yes,
freedom,
oo.
Right?
freedom.
Not to be dictated upon. Pero balik tayo. So, marami ang cons. Contradictory, lalo na pag sa Philippine culture. So, pag nursing home, magkakaroon kaunti ng emotional guilt yung family mo. Pero ikaw single, so walang magigilty.
Oh, wala.
Yung
Oo.
cost, yun lang. Mahal
cost, oo.
kung private at maganda kaunti. Diba?
Pero yung decision of people like Lali is a function also of availability of facilities. For example, I scanned the data on availability. There are only very few nursing homes here, and they only serve about 170,000 all over the country. A handful of these facilities. Can you imagine, kaya tinatanong ko kanina, ano yung criteria mo? Because baka hindi papasa sa criteria mo yung nahanap mo.
Meron na ako, pero 45,000 plus laundry, ikaw magbabayad sa laundry mo.
Pero alam mo, bago pa nga mangyari yun,
Tangan.
you
Yes.
you should be
So, you
eyeing
have to
already
really
for a
prepare
place. For now,
financially. Importante
yeah,
yun.
for now, parang ako lang, tinitingnan ko muna because, marami na akong mga kaibigan ko, may mga parents na tumira na rin sa nursing.
Mm-mm.
So, inaano ko na, tinitingnan ko na, sabi ko, parang hindi ko
Hoy,
type yan
mag-shopping
tayo.
around tayo.
Yeah, oo. You
Para-
have to start
pero-
from idea ka.
Pero judging from your response, it looks like the pros outweigh the cons sa'yo, no?
Yeah.
So ang decision mo pa rin,
Nursing, kasi single ako rin. Saan ako pupunta
Oo.
otherwise?
Wala mag-
So, pero yung cost lang importante, di ba?
yun na nga yung
So,
sinasabi ko.
sabi natin, ranging 30,000, mga semi-ordinary, pero okay naman.
You get-
50,000 is good already. 60,000 is very good. 80K is okay na, above na.
economics pa rin yan eh. You get what you pay for eh.
Correct. Pero alam mo, 80,000 in 1 year, ilan na yun? So, 800,000, 960.
920.
Kaya nga,
Mas
ngayon
Pero
pala-
wait, tinanong ko ang Makati Social Welfare Department,
Oh.
may alam po ba kayong mga private nursing home sa Makati? Wala kaming alam. Pero sa ating mga seniors sa Makati po, sabi nila, dinadala daw nila yung mga wala ng mga
Relatives.
titingin sa kanila or mag-alaga sa kanila, dinadala nila sa yung mga, siyempre NCR to. So ang available is Graces, ang pangalan is Graces in Quezon City, behind SM North daw. Pero laging puno. Waiting list. And then meron din yung Haven for the Elderly sa Tanay Rizal.
Mm.
And then meron tayong Little Sisters for the Poor or para sa mga abandoned seniors. At saka yung San Lorenzo Ruiz. Nakapunta na ako sa San Lorenzo Ruiz sa Pasay. Na yung OMI noon, nagsayaw kami, nagbigay kami ng
Oh,
pagkain.
di ba kasama ako doon?
Andun ka ba?
Of course.
Yeah, then that one.
Yeah.
Di ba that's for abandoned seniors?
Seniors.
And the place looks okay and
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
di
And
ba?
It's run by... the-
So yan, yun yung mga libre po. Most of them are run by nuns, you know. So marami pa yung listahan. Pag-uusapan po natin sa next episode yan. Magkakaroon tayo ng guest ng mga nursing home administrators or owners. So, may libre. So, gusto ko makita yung libre. Sinabi ko naman I asked the Makati Social Welfare Department girl.
Pero
Sabi ko, do you check the standard na within the standard naman ang pagsisilbi nila, malinis, maayos. Sabi niya, ayos at malinis naman, ma'am. So, kasi baka kung alam nila na ina-announce yung darating kayo, baka doon lang sila magbait-baitan at mga ganun.
while they're selling, pag nandun ko
Yeah.
sa loob,
Iba na.
iba na.
Kasi marami rin corruption nangyayari minsan.
Yeah, but
doon.
now that you raise these free facilities, I think the government should seriously look at the
Make some
senior
more.
citizens'
Oo.
welfare.
Yes.
Dapat.
So, nag-prepare na ako ng sulat. Magsusulat tayo sa party list ng mga seniors. And then we will, since Padilla, Senator Padilla and Lacson wanted to do more at siya yung nagsabi na pag hindi, pinabayaan mo ang nanay mo, mabibilang ka or something. Pero of course, hindi naman lahat mabibilang ko. It depends sa economics na mag-aalaga na anak, di ba? So, yun, magsusulat tayo doon. Kasi gagawin ko na ito yung advocacy ko.
Yeah, because you know,
I think this is a new advocacy for us para makakatulong tayo and it's also, we will know also what's going on.
In fact, I was already thinking of my next book, going to dwell about longevity,
Yes.
so that you can afford to live your desires of looking young as you get older.
Yeah.
I think
like you.
Beautiful and
Like
comfortable.
him.
Beautiful. Tignan mo, naglo-glow.
Oo, nasabi nga sa akin ni MK.
Nagbo-blush yata ako.
Kasi wala siyang iniisip na kwan
Oo nga,
eh.
wala siyang stress. I mean,
Oh,
you
that's
know.
what you think.
Pero hindi.
Ibang stress.
Oo. Pero alam mo ako dito sa, okay, napapag-usapan yung mga free, ever, no?
Anyway,
Ako, I don't wanna think that way na free.
yung cons din,
Yeah.
ang mga parents, takot sila sa loneliness na parang lalagay mo na sila doon, baka makalimutan mo sila. Yun lang yung mga cons na pag-iisip nila. Pero, that's why, alam mo, may sulat akong babasahin. Baka doon na lang sa next. So,
Baka
ang
iyak ka din.
importante, ang sabihin natin sa mga anak nating Gen Z millennials, ang nursing home ay para sa ating mga seniors pala, becoming seniors, ay hindi palaging abandonment. Kasi akala nila na-abandon na mo pa. Sige, dali mo na yan sa nursing home. Sabi, away from us. So, minsan, ito'y responsableng desisyon. Mas responsableng
Mhm.
desisyon. Kasi may mag-aalaga sa'yo. Kung katulong yung mag-aalaga sa'yo, magkamali pa yung bigay na gamot sa'yo.
In fact, that's the reason why I started looking for a personal assistant.
Yes.
I want to make sure that there is a relationship
Yeah.
built
May
para pag,
loyalty.
para pag hindi ko na alam kung anong iniinom ko, baka iba
Iba-
pa painom na sa akin. Kukunin niya yung debit
Diba?
card.
Yeah.
So, mas safer pa rin ang kukuha ng professional caregiver din or provided by the nursing homes.
Yeah,
Kasi
pagbayad
kung may
ka na lang.
mangyari sa'yo, they can be questioned and lose their license.
I don't really know what's happening in the nursing home once you're there, no? The only insight I get was when I watched this movie, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest,
Oo.
starring Jack Nicholson. And hindi naman mga old people lahat yung nandun. Iba-iba na yung nandun. And then they looked all with problems. And then here comes the guy who is saved. That's why he was the one who flew over the cuckoo's nest and tried to fix the people there, no? It looks fun from the outside watching, but once you're inside, I'm sure they have their own problems there, no?
Correct. Okay, last 10 minutes tayo. So,
Pero MK, question, kasi most of our discussions revolve around where to go when you're still okay, you know? But it focused more on the physical side of taking care of ourselves. But remember, we have body, mind, and spirit. Siguro one of the things that we should also talk about is how do you preserve that mind, whether you are in the nursing home or at home or with your children, no? So mental health has become a big issue nowadays.
pag-usapan natin
oo,
yan.
yeah.
Kaya ang daming episodes nito.
Yes.
Right? So, paano ka, how to take care of yourself in your agile years to keep agile.
Yeah.
Diba? Mentally, physically, and
How do
spiritually.
you keep your sanity, no?
Yes. Ayun, so, ang importante talaga, kinausap nyo na ba mga anak nyo, mga asawa nyo at kapatid nyo? I'm talking to the seniors, mga future seniors, mga 58, 59 and above. I think this is a hard truth, pero kailangan ng pag-usapan habang malinaw pa ang pag-iisip ninyo. At iba, otherwise, iba ang magde-decision for you.
But it looks like we have talked about the pros and cons of staying in the nursing home, pros and cons of staying with your children, the pros and cons of living as you desire in your own home. To me, is the hybrid, no? Kumbaga sa kotse, ito yung hybrid. I can stay where I am, I can get the services of a nursing home, and my
Ayun.
children can still
That's
visit
the
me, no?
best. That's the best if you can afford that. And that's why nga, prepare na niya yan.
If you cannot handle it, let other people handle it for you.
Yeah. That's why the key here is preparation is the key in everything.
And start while
especially
you're
sa
young.
buhay natin. Pag-prepare na tayo. Get the
Yan.
right people to discuss it.
Correct. And quickly lang, sa mga OFW, mas problema pa to. So, pag yung nanay niyo nasa Pilipinas, kayo'y nasa abroad, sino mag-aalaga? Paano kung nag-iisa ka lang na anak? Mga auntie, mga ganun, baka hindi nila maalagaan. They have their own family. So, magulang, nasa Pinas, yung distance, minsan, nagigilty si OFW.
Pero pwede naman yung i-take yung attitude na I will provide the means. Hindi
Yes,
naman
and
ako doktor. So, paano ko alagaan yung
correct.
ano? Hindi naman
Kukuha
ako
na lang
nurse.
ng caregiver. Pera pa
Yes.
din yun. So, financial preparation
Economics.
po. So, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Eto, cremation or traditional wake?
Ako, yung traditional way.
Wake. Meron ka ng puntod.
This is my instruction to my wife.
Oh.
If I die and I still look good, you
Put me in
let
the
people
coffin
view
open.
me. Yes. But if I'm already
looking ugly.
devastated or evacuated,
Closed casket.
hindi na.
Ano?
Cremate na.
Really?
Just put me in that urn.
No, talaga? You said that?
Yeah. No, of course
Oh,
I
so
say it.
both.
I say it jokingly, no? But
There could be a truth in it.
that is
Sinulat
probably-
mo na ba yan? You're supposed to write down things down.
I'm still agile.
No,
My
I
wife
mean
is-
in your last and will and
Oh,
testament.
That is the next one I will.
Something can happen anytime, di ba? Hindi lang yung sickness, but things can happen. Baka nadulas ka lang. I mean,
Yes.
God forbids. Marami akong friends. Di ba, Jackie, Jose? Namatay siya sa banyo.
Yeah.
So, cremation or funeral?
Cremation. The
Moderno
most
talaga.
practical way, cremation.
But
Ah,
ako,
that's for
I'm
me.
saying that, but I know my wife's, and the way we plan it is we bought this crypt in the church, enough for members of our family. And I know whether it is my wish or not, probably my wife
So,
will decide.
parang crematory
Yeah,
spot
mga
yan.
boxes na ganyan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
oo.
oo, yeah.
Parang yung napapanood ko sa mga Korean and Chinese na
And there
pinupunta.
are a lot of benefits to that.
Yeah,
no?
marami na ngayon yan.
Yeah.
Kaya,
Ako, siguro, wala. Cremation siguro kasi hindi ko alam kung saan mag-aasawa si Zoe dito sa Pilipinas o abroad. Kung hindi pa kami nakakabili ng puntod, yung puntod ni Mr. Craig andun sa Denmark. Hindi ko alam kung doon ako dadalhin ni Christiana, who will be deciding. Or I might still get married.
yeah.
Like this actress na 69 years old, Butch Anson Rua, 69 years old, may 2 years pa akong chance.
Oo.
Baka
Biglang napaganda.
bibili
Nabuntis-
kami ng
nabuntis
sa
ka, di ba?
heritage. Ha? So, cremation might be a practical
Pero
if you have children from different diverse countries.
ako kasi gusto ko yung public viewing kasi I want my casket made out of bamboo.
Uy!
Okay.
So I can...
Pwede mag-reserve na. Give me the design.
Yeah.
So, anyway, so yun, cremation or traditional, dapat sinusulat na rin yan. Mas practical ang cremation, mas mura, less burden sa family, environment friendly.
but you know, it's not a lot. It's not just convenience. There are a lot of other issues.
Emotional,
with cremation.
spiritual,
Yes.
faith,
Yeah,
So,
oo.
nasa pamilya no po yun. So, kayo dapat magsulat. Like Mr. Craig said, cremate me immediately. One day lang yung wake. Naka-open casket. Sabi niya, don't
yeah, I
close
was
the
there.
casket. You were there. Ayun
was
yun ang
there.
casket. Puro
I've been
roses.
part of your life for so
I
long
know.
already.
Ako na, senior
So,
moment,
you know, Mr.
nakalimutan.
Craig. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yung traditional natin, okay lang po. Nasa inyo po yan.
Yes.
So, kasi may emotional closure yon, tapos may time and friends, family bonding na yon, tradition and faith, pwede kayong maglaro ng baraha.
Pero the question
Tong
kay
hits.
Lali is, yung pinag-usapan na ito, does it apply only to middle to high levels of society? Because when I go to the province, they don't worry about these things. If you die, you die. Somebody will take care of you. They will display you there for as long as they can. They will wait for donations. This is the reality on the ground, no?
Ang ganda
And-
dyan sa provincial style, dun sa probinsya.
Yes, yes.
But ang ganda, I mean, kung sa probinsya ka mag-wake, maganda, masaya doon.
Okay.
Yes.
At they will make, you can earn for the coffin
Yeah.
from the gambling tong.
Oo.
Yeah.
Anyway, wala na tayong time. But I just want to do a teaser. Meron po kayong episode 4, kayong aalis. If you are viewing us on Facebook, at 11 o'clock, we are starting the episode 4. Pero for closing, okay, so saan ba nyo talaga gusto? Sa nursing home or sa home care ba? Alam nyo na yung pros and cons. Cremation ba o funeral traditional wake? Nasa inyo po yon. Isulat nyo po at kausapin yung mga pamilya nyo. Okay? So, ang tunay daw na pagmamahal ay hindi sa pagpapalaki lang ng anak, kundi ang hindi pag-iwan ng mabigat na desisyon sa kanila. Just like this, where will you put me? It should not be burdening them. Kaya we have to prepare. Yun tayo, yung mga hindi nakapag-prepare, I hope the youth, the Gen Zs, millennials will learn from your parents who have not prepared. Diba? So, yung ating pag-usapan sa episode 4, bakit hindi ito pinag-uusapan? Alright? So, one last word.
I hope
Dr.
our
Conrad?
listeners learn something from this discussion. As I already said, a lot of these things are a function of economics. It's all financial.
Yes.
When you've got all the money, you can do so many things. So my advice is, have a lot of money and prepare for your old age
Correct.
so that you make the decision.
Yeah. Miss Yula?
Okay. Ulitin ko lang po. Very simple lang po yung aking ano rito. Preparation is the key. Prepare for your hindi lang ito tawag dito yung aging. Actually, prepare na po for ano to para sa ating
Meeting with the
meeting with our creator.
correct.
So, we
Right.
need to be prepared for it.
True. Ayan. So, don't go away, Philippines. We'll be back for more. Bakit ito ayaw pag-usapan ng mga Filipinos or karamihan sa atin? Don't go away.
Okay, goodbye for
This
now.
is Kamusta Ka Bagong Pilipinas? And we would like to thank, of course, our technical crew, our director, Jumer Esplana, our cameraman, Angelo Duremdes, and our prompter, Mr. Joseph Echano, and of course, our program directors, Alicia Avila and Miss Jillian Pascual. Bye-bye!
Kamusta ka?